Hey guys, and welcome back. This video is about my air filter setup. So this is my CB300F, and today I'm going to show you how I have made a air filtration system for my CB300F that is cost effective. This filter will last for a lifetime. So first of all, the stock filter we get with CB300F is a paper filter. So there are three type of air filtration materials that we can see in a motorcycle or a car. First up is the paper filter, second is a sponge filter, and third is a cotton filter. So the performance filters you can get in the market like K&N, they comes with a cotton filter. So technically the paper filter will give you the best purification, but also it is the most restrictive type of filter. And on the other side of the spectrum you have the cotton filter that will allow the maximum flow of air with a reduced efficiency, like it will allow some minor particles through it if you don't lube it properly. Also the cotton filter is very costly. The filter may cost you around 3,000 to 5,000 or so. But contrary to both of them, we have another type of filter, that is the sponge filter. So this sponge filter, when it is lubricated properly, can give you the exact same amount of filtration, if not better. Also the restriction of the paper filter will go away and it will be as efficient as the paper filter. Also it will be performing as good as a cotton filter. So let's quickly get into this. And this is, you can see, this is a plasticky part that comes with this filter. I'll let you know what filter is this, and you'll get this inside of this filter, and you have to cut this manually. Just put it over here and mark it and cut it so that it can create a little bit of pressure over this sponge filter, so that when the bike is at high RPM, the suction is very high, so that this sponge filter do not deform and will pass the dirt or air from the side walls. Okay, so let me quickly remove this filter. As you can see, this is the first layer of filter. You have to lubricate it properly so that it can trap the bigger particle and also the smaller particle. So yeah, let's keep it aside. So this is the second layer, as you can see. Also we get another piece here, same thing, just reversed. And here is our stock air filter chamber. As you can see, I have used a silicone to seal it properly. So you must use silicone like this. The filter I got from Pulsar 150. As you can see, I have already driven it about 3,000-4,000 kilometers, and it's pretty clean, and also it's reusable. Like you have to remove this and clean it with soapy water and or shampoo or car wash, whatever you have with you. Just don't push it very hard, just drop it in, and you have to cut it exactly. Do not cut it like shorter, so the air will pass from the side wall. You have to keep that in mind. Let's quickly drop the lock, plastic locking thing that I have designed. Let's give you a quick closer view of this. Pretty neat, huh? You can get one of these about 60 to 70 rupees, and I've used two of these so that the filtration becomes more efficient, because I can't lose a little bit of performance for the sake of purification, because I need the purest form of air for my motorcycle. So that's it guys. Now just put the cover over it and assemble everything back, and you're good to go for another 5,000 kilometers or so. So yeah guys, that is all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and please do appreciate this kind of videos. You will not find these videos in YouTube anywhere. So yeah, there are not many YouTubers that are making videos over CB300F. So please support and keep me motivated otherwise YouTube revenues are not that much to keep these type of videos for longer duration of time. But I'm doing this purely out of my passion and my affection for this bike or biking community overall. So yeah, I hope you understand this, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.